Welcome back. Capstone time. Over the last 6 lessons, you learned every defined tool separately. The charter, the problem statement, voice of the customer, CTQ trees, SIPOC, waste analysis, and team design. Today, we assemble them into one coherent defined phase on a live project, and then we face the question that ends careers when it goes badly. The Tollgate review. Let's build. The defined checklist, what a complete phase contains. Assigned charter, business case, quantified problem, SMART goal with a guardrail metric, scope, team, timeline. Voice of the customer translated into CTQs with spec limits. A SIPOC framing the boundary and a first process map underneath it. The team chartered with roles and a RACI. That's the whole phase on one slide, and it's exactly the evidence a Tollgate demands. Now watch it come together on a real project. I'll use the LeanProjax platform. Here's our packaging project. DMAIC built in from day one, with define up first. Start in the charter, the quantified problem statement, the goal with its guardrail, the business case, and scope. Every field we wrote in lesson 3. Now the voice of the customer, the needs we captured, each translated into a CTQ with its metric and spec limit. The process is framed, pick to palletize, with the map underneath. And the team, named roles, responsibilities attached. Look at the define progress now. Every deliverable present, everyone traceable. This, not a binder of documents, is what define complete looks like. The Tollgate. Your champion and sponsor will ask 6 questions. Prepare everyone. Why this project? Why now? Business case. What exactly is the problem? Statement, in numbers. What will success look like? Goal and guardrail. What's in and out of scope? And what you'll do when creep appears. Who is the customer and what do they require? CTQs. And is the team resourced? Names, time, RACI. Answer crisply with evidence and you pass to measure. The exam mirrors this. Tollgate questions are defines knowledge checks. Capstone drill. 4 questions, exam pace. 1. The sponsor asks, how do we know 54 seconds is real? Which define artifact answers? Pause here if you need a moment. The baseline in the problem statement and its data source. If you can't defend it, measure will. 2. A CTQ reads, packaging should be efficient. Diagnose. Take a few seconds. Not measurable. It's still a need. It lacks metric, target, and limit. 3. Mid-define operations asks you to include the upstream warehouse. Response? Think it through. Scope decision. Take it to the sponsor against the charter. Don't absorb it silently. 4. What does the champion do at the Tollgate that the sponsor doesn't? A few seconds. The champion challenges and clears the path forward. The sponsor accepts the deliverables and owns the process. Define, complete. You can charter a project, hear the customer, frame the process, and defend it all at a Tollgate. Next lesson, we cross into measure, statistics fundamentals. And the moment this course becomes hands-on with data. The Greenbelt Math starts now. Subscribe and I'll see you in the measure module.